Hi everyone, welcome to Cook Like a Japanese channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Yellowtail Teriyaki. Because I find a nice wild-caught yellowtail fillet at the supermarket near my house. It's not farm raised. Yellowtail Teriyaki is one of the most popular dishes here in Japan, and to make it is super easy and the taste is super yummy. So why don't we try it at your home? Alright, let's get started. Yeah, the ingredients for Yellowtail Teriyaki is basically the yellowtail fillet alone. But if you want to add some side veggies, the white potted leeks, shishito bell pepper, or grated white radish would be nice. But this time I choose to use shishito bell pepper because I don't need to use a knife this time. Wow! You know, we got 4 steps to make Yellowtail Teriyaki. Step 1 is to prepare the yellowtail fillet by adding some salt on the both sides and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Step 2 is to make teriyaki sauce like I did in the chicken teriyaki video with soy sauce, mirin, sake, they are all 1.5 tablespoons, and add some sugar as well. Step 3 is to stir fry the side veggie, this time shishito bell pepper. You don't need any oil to pan fry shishito bell pepper. And after it cooked, remove it from the pan and demolish the fillet with the kitchen paper or something like that, and go on to step 4. You know, step 4 is to pan fry the yellowtail fillet. This time you need to use some vegetable oil. Pan fry it with medium heat for about 2-3 minutes, and after it gets nice and brown, golden brown, flip it over and pan fry it for another 2-3 minutes. Then you turn the heat a bit down and pour the teriyaki sauce little by little. Please put some sauce on the surface of the fish by using a spoon or something. Okay, that's it. Why don't we go on to step 1? Alright, why don't we go to step 1? Step 1 is to add some sugar. No, sorry, add some salt on the yellowtail fillet. Flip them over. Okay, that's it. If you care about the blood or something like that on the fillet, please do not wash it with fresh water, because washing fish fillet with fresh water, it's gonna ruin the freshness. So please wait 5 to 10 minutes, and after that you're gonna demolish it with the kitchen paper, kitchen towel or something like that, so you don't have to care about the blood or something like that. Right, why don't we go on to step 2? Step 2 is to make a teriyaki sauce. You know, like I did in the chicken teriyaki video. It's same. Sake 1.5 tablespoon. MIRIN 1.5 tablespoon. Soy sauce 1.5 tablespoon. Plus sugar. It's about 1 tablespoon or something like that. It's like that. It's up to you. If you like it sweet, more sugar. If you don't like it sweet, less sugar. It's all up to you. Yeah, the teriyaki sauce is ready now. Yeah, why don't we go on to step 3? Step 3 is to pan fry the side veggie, this time shishito pepper. But one thing important is you have to make some hole on it, shishito pepper, or else the pepper's gonna be burst. So how many you use? 3 would be nice. Okay, after you wash it with fresh water, Yeah, make some hole like this, and you can put it out with hand. You don't need to use a knife. Okay, it's done. Right, now it's time to make pan fry side veggie medium low heat. Right, you don't need any vegetable oil or something like that. Just put the shishito pepper. You made holes on it so it won't get burst. The first thing you do for step 4 is to demoist the fillet with kitchen paper or something like that. Right, I use one paper for each. Yeah, it would be nice. Yeah, I believe pan is already heated by pan frying the side veggies, so pour some vegetable oil. Yeah, go ahead and pan fry the fillet. Skin side first. Skin. Skin side down. Heat it medium heat. 2 to 3 minutes. You know, 2 minutes has passed. Is it nice and brown? Yeah, it's nice and brown. Why don't you flip it over and pan fry it for another 2 to 3 minutes. You know, 2 minutes has passed. Yeah, looks good. So turn down the heat a bit and pour the teriyaki sauce little by little. Right? And sometimes you scoop the sauce with the spoon or something like that and pour it onto the fillet like this. Yes. I guess it's done. So why don't we plate it? And now it's time to plate the yellowtail. It's easier to use this. Okay, right here. I don't know why, but in Japan, fish supposed to be plated skin side up, skin like this. Put the side veggies like this. Right, great. Pour the teriyaki sauce. Wow, looks cool. It's barely Japanese. Right, now the Yellowtail Teriyaki is ready. And thanks for watching. I hope you felt that to make Yellowtail Teriyaki is much easier than you ever expected. So why don't you try it at your home? Anyway, thanks for watching, and please put thumbs up button, subscribe, and leave some message down below. I'll be happy to see that. Okay, thank you for watching and have a nice day. Hope to see you soon in the next video. See you soon. Arigato. Bye.